Today I am discussing a very important topic in condensation chemistry. The topic is stepwise stability constant and formation constant. First of all, in studying the complex formation, two types of stability is associated. One is thermodynamic stability and another is kinetic stability. First of all, the thermodynamic stability. This is a measure of extent to which the complex will form or the complex will transform to analogous species, that is, the system reached at equilibrium. So the thermodynamically stable complex have high formation constant and thermodynamically less stable complex have less formation constant. And another stability is the kinetic stability. Kinetic stability basically measure the speed of the reaction. That is, in case of complex where the ligand displacement takes place very rapidly, the complex is labile, and when the ligand displacement does not take place very rapidly, the complex is called inert complex. That's why we can say that the thermodynamically stable complex may be labile or inert, and similarly we can say that thermodynamically unstable complex may be labile or inert. That is, there is no correlation between thermodynamic stability and kinetic stability. And generally we have considered that the complex which have a high CFPC value, the complex is very inert complex, and the complex which have very low CFPC value, the complex is very labile complex. Now we have determined the stepwise formation constant and overall formation constant. Here we have seen that the interaction between the metal and ligand takes place progressively. First of all, the metal interact with one ligand and then it can form Ml, and the here K1 is the constant, and this K1 is called stepwise stability constant. And what is the mathematical form of K1 is Ml by concentration of M and concentration of L, and Ml plus L, and that is the Ml2, and this is the K2 is the Ml2 and concentration of Ml and L, and similarly Ml2 reacts with another ligand to form Ml3, and this is the mathematical form of K3, and ultimately Ml n-1 reacts with L, and this and Kn is the Mln and Mln-1 L. Here K1, K2 and K3 is called the stepwise stability constant. But the metal reacts with n number of ligand, then the same complex is formed Mln, and in this case the beta n is the Mln by Ml to the power n, and thus beta n is called the overall formation constant. Now we have seen the relation between the stepwise formation constant and the overall formation constant. That is the relation. Here we have considered the complex is Ml3. Now the metal reacts with 3 ligands and it can form Ml3, and therefore the beta 3, the expression of beta 3 is given by Ml3 M and L to the power q. Now we can multiplying both sides, multiplying both is the numerator and denominator by Ml and Ml2, and then it can rearranges the equation, and Ml M to the power L is the M, and LQ is split into L and Ml Ml, and similarly is the Ml2 Ml and similarly Ml3 Ml2 L, and therefore this is the form of K1, and this is the K2, and this is the K3, and therefore the beta 3 is equal to K1 into K3, K2 into K3, and this is the relation between the stepwise stability constant and overall formation constant. Now we have determined the successive stability constant. In this reaction we have seen that the stepwise stability constant are K1, K2, K3 and K4. The value of K1 is higher than that of the K2, K3 and K4, and the stepwise stability constant decreases in the order K1 greater than K2 greater than K3 and greater than K4. Here the ligand progressively reacts with the metal and to form the cadmium NH3 plus and then NH whole 2 plus and then whole 3 2 plus and ultimately cadmium is a whole 4 2 plus, and this complex is basically coordination number 4. In this case, we have seen that the stability constant of K4 is very lower than that of the K1. Now the question is arise why the stability constant of K1 is greater than K2, K3 and K4. Well, this is due to the fact that with increase in the concentration of the ligand, the central metal atoms or ions, the central metal ions are less electron greedy. That is, with increase in the concentration of the metal ions, the central metal ions is less electron greedy, and with progressively intake of ligand in coordination zone, the electronic repulsion takes place between the ligands, and that's why the stability constant of K4 is very low than that of K1 and K2. Okay, thank you.